got the banana can. Hi there, the snowstorm is coming and I got a lot of good cycling gears like tires, wood studs and warm clothes that I collected through the years. It's a good chance for having a little adventure. So let's try cycling in the snowstorm and see how it goes, or if it goes. Good evening. Stupid does, the stupid gets. The stupid gets, the stupid does, or whatever it's called. Oh. Woo. Ah. Oh, seemed like a good idea. Sitting in the sofa. And now it gets a little bit more stupid because it's a large road, there's traffic here. Well, there's only for a few things. Go for luck. It was actually a little bit better out here. It was not a clean road and, well, just ice. But I got bikes, so that's not a problem. I got the wind in the back, so, well, that's pretty good. Oh wow, it goes slow. Now it goes pretty well. Oh, don't say too much. Oh. Hey. Now it's a little bit smaller roads. A little bit snowy, but a lot less traffic. Not so easy. Well, snow. Men det är kul. Hey gosh, go! Hey gosh, go! It's just gonna be, well, it's just gonna be a short turn today. A short round where we climb a little bit. Now what it looks like in the snow and in the forest. Hopefully, no one will get damaged. Yee-hoo! I will soon be where the climb starts. It's not anything like out there, but it's like 100 meters of altitude, something like that. Well, one thing for sure, it's a lot heavier to bike on snow with tires full of studs. Whew. I'm glad it's not Alpes. I didn't really realize that it was this hard to bike in snow. Well, since quitting is not an option, I really have to be much more severe. This is probably not the most sensible thing a middle-aged guy with heart problems can do, but once in a while you have to live as well. Couldn't hear that one. There it came. That was a little bit fun. Not. I think I got the blue butt. The bike seems to be okay. How hard can it be? Get steep. Get a little bit steeper. Come on. Well, actually I think I own my banana now. If it isn't smashed. We'll see. Yeah, he went to win again. That's not that's good. This is a good spot for banana. Good. Oh, and some cold water. Oh. banana and water or opposite, whatever. Oh, can't say I'd see that much. This is a nice spot. There's no wind down here. I think the snow was good for my blue butt. The cold was good. There's nothing that the banana can't solve. At least almost. During the summer when in France, I remember one video I was saying that this would be something to think about when the snow is whirling around the house. Well, I suppose that's today. This is good, but summer in France is better. It is. Even though an adventure is always great. Who remembers these normal days when everything is good enough? Not bad, not great, just good enough. That's that. Now it's just the left, or how you say in English. Now it's just the left. What? Whatever. This is where it should become easier. The hardest thing I think is I can't really see anything. It's wind, snow and ice and really hard. Well, for me, I did it now and not in 6 hours, because of that I think it was pretty impossible. Ooh. Here it comes again. Oh, lucky it's an action camera. That was actually the first time I dropped it right down into the icy tarmac. I think it was okay. Looking really good. Hey. Let's see if we can make it inside. Oh, I think a bonfire would be good now. And a warm shower. Oh, that's all for now. Oh, it was a good trip. And you know, the stupid gets, whatever they say in Forrest Gump. Well, something like that. Have a nice day.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many.